Do you feel overwhelmed by all the retirement account options out there? Ever hear the term Roth IRA tossed around and wonder, what exactly is that? And why does everyone keep talking about it? Well, you're not alone. A Roth IRA is one of the most powerful tools to secure your financial future, and if you're not taking advantage of it, you could be leaving serious money on the table. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll not only know what a Roth IRA is, but also how it works and why it might just be the retirement game changer you've been searching for. All right, let's break this down. A Roth IRA is a type of individual retirement account. What makes it unique? It's all about how your money grows and how you're taxed. Unlike a traditional IRA, where you get a tax break now, but pay taxes later when you withdraw your money, a Roth IRA works the opposite way. You contribute money you've already paid taxes on, but when it's time to retire, those withdrawals are completely tax-free. Imagine this. You invest $10,000 in a Roth IRA. It grows to $100,000 by the time you retire. Guess what? That $90,000 in growth is yours, tax-free. Yes, 100% yours. This is why so many financial experts, myself included, are constantly saying, you need to know about this. Let's get into the nuts and bolts of how it works. A Roth IRA is simple, but there are a few rules you need to know. First, there's an annual contribution limit. For 2024, that's $6,500 if you're under 50 and $7,500 if you're 50 or older. Next, not everyone qualifies to contribute to a Roth IRA. If your income is above a certain limit, you might be phased out or excluded altogether. In 2024, if you're single and earn more than $153,000 or married filing jointly earning over $228,000, you'll have some limitations. But don't worry, there's a workaround called a backdoor Roth IRA. We will talk about that later in this video. Here's the kicker. To truly benefit from a Roth IRA, you need to follow what's called the 5-year rule. This means your account must be at least 5 years old before you can withdraw your earnings tax-free, even if you've hit retirement age. So, why all the hype about Roth IRAs? Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you're retired and living off your savings. Suddenly, you're hit with a big tax bill on your withdrawals. That's what can happen with traditional IRAs or 401ks. With a Roth IRA, there's no tax on your qualified withdrawals. That means more money in your pocket when you need it most. Plus, Roth IRAs offer flexibility. Unlike a 401k, you're not required to take distributions at age 73. Your money can stay in the account growing, untouched, for as long as you want. And let's not forget, you can withdraw your contributions anytime, penalty-free. Yes, you heard that right. If you're in a pinch and need the money, you can take out what you put in. No questions asked. Now, let's talk about mistakes. One of the biggest? Not starting early enough. A Roth IRA thrives on time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the magic of compounding interest. And another mistake, withdrawing your earnings too early. Remember the 5-year rule? Break it, and you're looking at penalties and taxes. Lastly, forgetting about income limits. If your income rises above the threshold and you continue to contribute without using the backdoor method, you could face some serious tax consequences. So, how do you get started? Opening a Roth IRA is easier than you think. First, choose a financial institution. Banks, brokerages, or even robo-advisors offer Roth IRAs. Look for one with low fees and a wide range of investment options. Personally, I recommend checking out Robinhood or Rocket Dollar. Robinhood is great if you're looking for a user-friendly app with no account minimums and the ability to trade a variety of investments like stocks and ETFs. On the other hand, Rocket Dollar is a fantastic choice for those who want to explore self-directed Roth IRAs, allowing you to invest in alternative assets like real estate or cryptocurrency. I have added a link to both Robinhood and Rocket Dollar in the description. Next, decide what to invest in. This could be stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs. The key here is diversification, spreading your investments to reduce risk. Finally, automate your contributions. Set up monthly transfers so you're consistently funding your account without even thinking about it. Consistency is key to building long-term wealth. A Roth IRA isn't just a retirement account, it's a wealth-building machine. And now that you understand how it works, the only question left is, what are you waiting for? Start today. Whether you're just beginning your financial journey or looking to optimize your retirement strategy, the Roth IRA can be your ticket to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you the tools and confidence to start your journey toward financial independence. If you found this helpful, make sure to explore my playlist on financial independence. It's packed with more in-depth strategies and practical advice to keep you moving forward. And don't miss my most popular video for even more actionable insights. Just click the thumbnail on the screen. Your support makes all of this possible, so please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep building your financial freedom together. See you in the next video.